I'm a little tired. I'm a cat mom now. Ow, my fucking neck. We're gonna get our makeup done today. We're gonna do our nails. We're getting Halloween ready. I'm coming to you with a Halloween luxurious look. I did my ponytail today. This is basically a $30 ponytail I did today. And it's 36 inches. And that's, oh, you think I look nice? Thanks. He thinks I look nice. I am hungry. I'm gonna get myself some breakfast before we do my makeup and shoot for the day. So tag along. You know you want to see your girl slay these Manhattan streets. You know you want to see it. Ooh. Girl, this that ooh. You did that. You can just introduce yourself.
My name is Crystal. I go by K-Glam on Instagram. And I did this beautiful special effects Fendi.
Bodied my face, guys. Like, this is the first and last time you're gonna see me like this until my birthday because I'm gonna go back to her.
Yes. All done at Toby Salon in Dykeman, Manhattan.
Hello.
Yes, where you can find me here. Add me on Instagram.
Add her on Instagram and book her today. How about that?
Yes, K-Glam _ KGLAM _.
Thank you. Yeah. So we're on our way to shoot for you guys. You want to introduce yourself, Eric?
Oh, hello.
Did you not want to be on camera?
I don't care.
Okay, he's my videographer.
Yeah.
His Instagram is right here, where you can shout it out if you want to. But you're gonna check for him after you see this video. Before you see what he helped me with, you have to see the crusty ass video I shot 2 years ago. Okay? Okay, bye. Nightmare on your block, and I don't need no Glock. You thought I died, bitch? Bro, I'm back, I'll never stop.
John in Tennessee, go ahead, what you want to say?
That shit is fucking trash, dog. Get the fuck off the airway.
Dude, no, I'm just feeling it. Don't tell me that's what.
Yeah, look, I'm floating like I'm with the stars, and monkey boss swing off the beat like I'm Tars, and think they fucking with me, begging they bond. I know my worth, I ain't begging to bargain. How is you stupid? They tryna figure me out like a Rubik's. Studied and mashing this shit like a Buddhist. Take she dash on the nigga, leave him clueless. Rode on the dick, kick the mind out the booty. Still tryna fuck up the summer, huh? Hood bitch, do what I wanna, huh? Gang time with your bitch runner, huh? Stay with them bitch like a drummer, Grip too hard, no gunner, huh? Pin #1, no stunner. Hoping jacking my shit, no lumber. They been asking the bitch, no hunter. At a show, I'll be packing that shit, go to plumber. I never asked for this shit, but I'm one up. Porting they ass and they tits for a come up. Such a catastrophe, I know they mad at me, big old bitch, but them niggas be at me. I know it's sad to see me living happily, charging these bitches like they was no battery. Can't fuck with no broke, cause shit, I got allergies, No, I do it. Put my bus when they tasting this music. From the bottom, now I'm where the roof is.
I am home, and the ponytail is off. I was freaking people out from a distance. They were like, what is on her face? And then up close, they were like, oh my God, it's Fendi. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to bring you more content like this in the years to come, because I really love this time of year. I really love getting dressed up. I love coming up with costumes that not everybody's gonna be rocking for the year. I'm already ready for next year. Comment down below what you think I'm gonna be next year, actually. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye. Still a bad bitch with my hair like this.